Hi guys, welcome back. On today's tutorial we are crocheting this beautiful mesh skirts. It's a very easy tutorial and I hope you will enjoy it. So we are using 100% milk cotton yarn, and this is 50 grams yarn. You can use any other type of yarn that you choose. All right, so I like milk cotton yarn because it's soft on the skin, and we are using a 3.5 mm hook. You'll need a tape measure and a pair of scissors. So to begin, we're beginning by the waist, and to make the waist, kindly take your hips measurements, and then we are chaining until your chains reach your hips measurements. So take your hips measurements and do chains all the way to your hips measurements. My hips measurement is 43 inches, and that's why I'm chaining all the way to 43. We are done, and if we measure this, it should go to 43. All right, let me zoom in so you can see what I was doing. So once you are sure about that, kindly make sure your yarn is straight, and then join the beginning to the end like this using a slip knot. So join this side to this side using a slip knot like this. All right, and your work should be round. You should have one round circle like this. Please make sure it's straight before we begin. So once you have that, we are going in straight with the pattern, which is the meshes. I call it meshes. So we are going in by chaining 7, chain 7, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3. On the fourth one, go in with a double crochet like this. Okay, and make another double crochet in the next stitch like this. All right, and again chain 7, then yarn over, skip 3, 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3. On the fourth one, go in with a double crochet like this. Let's do a double crochet on the fourth stitch. So skip 1, 2, 3. On the fourth, go in with a double crochet like this, and another double crochet like that. Okay, once you're done, again chain 7, skip 3, 1, 2, 3. On the fourth one, go in with a double crochet like this, and another double crochet like this. So we're going to work like this all round until we are done. All right, and I will meet you at the end of this row. Okay guys, so I am done with the first row. This is how it looks. Remember, we're just chaining 7, skip 3, and with the fourth we do double crochet, and with the fifth double crochet. At the end here, we are not gonna join. Instead, if you have 2 stitches left at the end here, it's fine, just leave them hanging like that, then chain 7. Okay, yarn over, and then go in the middle of your work like this. In the next mesh like this, go in the middle and make a double crochet like this. and another double crochet in the middle also, like this. Okay, so at the end, if you have 3 stitches or 2 stitches, just skip them, chain 7 and start working in the mesh again. So after that, chain 7, yarn over, go in the middle like this and make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Please make sure they're in the middle, and again chain. You can always move them around. Chain 7 and then go in the middle of your work like this in the next mesh and make 2 double crochets. Okay, and you're going to work like this round and round and round and round. We are not going to join anywhere, we're just going around like this by chaining 7 and making 2 double crochets in the next. So we're going to work like that round and round and round and round until your dress is long enough to the size that you want. So this is another thing, if you don't want to put in the middle space like that, you can go in the middle double crochet like this and then put 2 double crochets in the same space like this. So you can either choose to do this or just go in the middle space. All right, I'm hoping we understand each other up to there, and I'll meet you once your skirt is the length that you want. Hey guys, so I made another skirt because I forgot to record the white one. So this is another skirt but the same thing, and this is the same length, so we're just done. And my cue, your waist should be that big because we used it as the hips measurements. So this is the length of my skirt. At the end here, when you are okay with the length, whatever place you have stopped, just chain 1 and cut off your yarn. Okay, after putting the 2 double crochets in the end, just chain 1 and cut off your yarn like that. It doesn't matter where you stopped because remember we were going round and round and round. And now we want to reduce the waist. So for the other skirt, we just immediately started by doing double crochets, but for this skirt I did first double crochets, then began doing the meshes. So kindly go in with a row of double crochets in your skirt. Okay, make a row of double crochets all round at the top of your skirt. Please reattach your yarn like this, go on the top of your skirt and the middle where there was yarn, and then just reattach like this. Then you will chain 2 and do a row of double crochets. Okay, I'm not doing it now on this pattern because you can see I already have a row of double crochets all around. All right, so after that we are going to do reductions on our waist so that it fits us. So chain 2, 3, always chain 3, and we are going to do front post and back post. Go in by taking 2 double crochets like this and make a front post, then yarn over, go in the next 2 double crochets like this at the back. Remember, the front, you go from the front, and the back we just go like this to the back, and then complete that by doing a double crochet, then yarn over, take the next 2 double crochets and do a front post. So we are working between front posts and back posts, right? And please note we are doing 2 double crochets at a time, not 1 double crochet. That's how we're going to reduce the waist for it to fit us. I hope you understand this, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. Okay guys, I am done, and at the end here we always join on top of chain 3 with a slip knot like this. So to finish up your row, go on the chain 3 that we always chain on top, go like this and make a slip knot, and then chain 3 to begin a new row. And the next row is also going to be a row of front post and back post. Where there was a front post, go in like this with a front post and make a double crochet like that. At the back also put a back post. So right now we are not decreasing anymore, we're just going in the next front post by putting a front post, and in the back post we put a back post. So that's how we work on the waist. And I did 5 rows of front post and back post. So do that and I'll meet you once you're done. Please, you can put it's recommended to put 5 rows so that your waist is thick enough. Okay. Okay, so once you're done with that, we're gonna make the lower part with just putting the fringes. So I'm gonna put 4 fringes in each. You can put 4 or 2. For the white one I put 4, but for 2 but for this brown one I'm putting 4. So just cut your yarns in the size that you want, and then take your hook, go in each mesh like this, and insert your fringes like this, and then you pull and you make sure it's tight like this. Okay, so we are going to skip one mesh. So if you put in this mesh, the next one you don't put. If you put in this, the next one you don't put. You can put either 2 strings of yarn or 4 strings of yarn. So for the brown one I'm putting 4 strings of yarn, but for the white one I put 2 strings of yarn. So let's do that, and then we will be done with our beautiful skirt. Kindly consider subscribing, like and share my content with your friends if you're still watching this far. Thank you so much for being a good listener and a good student. Please again subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will meet you soon. This is how we create this beautiful skirt, and that's how beautiful it turned out. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.